our 2026 Ruby incentives. And some of you are saying, who are Ruby associates? Well, Ruby associates are any associate that's not a Sapphire Elite Business Solutions Associate or an Emerald Elite Business Solutions Associate or a licensed agent. If you're not one of those three, then congratulations, you're a Ruby. And by attending that level 1 certification training, you can now, well, you are now, I should say, eligible for Ruby incentives, whether it's hitting Ruby qualification, Ruby Elite qualification, or Ruby to Sapphire. And in that journey, the Ruby to Sapphire Hit and Earn incentives will pay out 7 levels of bonus. Family, this is exciting for you. So make sure that you please get the flyer in our resource services, and make sure that you go over that flyer in detail. If you have questions about our Ruby Hit and Earn 7 levels of payout, then please email us at fullservicetraining@pplsi.com, and we would be more than happy to answer your questions. Now, that's not the only incentive that we have for our Ruby associates. As you heard earlier, Ms. Christy Hudson talking about some of our PC trip incentives that Ruby level associates can also participate in. But we also have a new groups open category specifically for Ruby associates. By attending the 2026 training, you check the first box and it opens up your eligibility to get qualified for your first 3 groups is a payout, first 3 groups, as well as at your 5th group and your 10th group. Once again, please get that incentive flyer. It would be fantastic to see all of your names come up